Good morning, good morning, good morning. SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. My garden. So I just wanted to come and show you guys how the garden is coming alive. Just 3 days ago, these figs didn't have no leaves on it. Well, they were tiny. And look at them now. But this didn't have. So the grapevine was bare. I mean bare. I didn't know if it was dead or alive. But as you guys can see, it is looking good. So check out the oh, I lost my tag for it. That's a blueberry bush. This one, this is the brandywine raspberry, but it blew over and lost the top of it. And as you guys can see right here, it still has a stem right there. So I'm gonna keep the faith. But yes, look at the cherry trees. This is Kevin Hart right here. Cat Williams over there. He doing good. Everything is growing up. Growing up, growing up. Now, this raspberry right here that was with that raspberry, where's the box? Here it is. Let me grab it. Let me grab it. This one is the red amity right here. This I mean, it's still alive, but it ain't looking all that great. But look at that crab apple. She said you was talking all that noise about that peach tree, but I'm here to tell you there's something else. Look at her, just showing off. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Now the peach tree, I don't know if it's in shock or what, but the buds is gone. All I did was move it from one going to another one. Uh-oh. Is that peaches? Is that a peach? Move out the way. Is that a peach? Oh my goodness. I think we got peaches. And a lot of them. Wow. Look at that. And then right there. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on through, Monique. This is Monique, y'all. This is her name. Monique said I came to show off and show out. Okay. Now my lemon tree ain't give me nothing. No kind of flowers. No kind of nothing. Not yet. Not yet. But yeah. And the what is this? The mayhaw tree. She don't produce until May. Oh wait, is that flowers on her? Oh, what? Look at that. She said I'm gonna show you my glory too. What? She got one little lonely flower. Oh wait, no, I'm lying. Okay. I stand corrected. Okay, I'm gonna let you do what you do, boo. All right. So, yeah. This one shaked and shivered. Martin, he shook and shivered, and he all right though, cause he got all that coming. The fig tree though, the fig. I don't know if the fig is. I don't know what the fig doing, y'all. I don't know what the fig doing. We're gonna see. We're gonna let it be. Let's see. Let's do a little. I don't know. The nails ain't nailing. The nails ain't nailing. I can't scratch it. They call false nails for a reason. All right, so just wanted to show you guys. Oh, let me show y'all my new addition to the garden. Hold on. Check out the new addition to the garden. If you guys were on my TikTok, I showed you guys this Fuji apple tree, and it's got buds on it. I got this from the Kroger. So yeah, she has some buds on her. She doing good, doing good. It's a Fuji apple tree, and guess what? She was $24.99. $24.99 at Kroger. Non-GMO Fuji apple tree. So I'm excited about this one. So let's move along. Remember that mustard green that I planted that was in the ground, growing in the ground, and I transplanted it to this pot, doing well. Absolutely. Uh-oh. I don't think the strawberries is doing all that great. Why, y'all? Why can't I grow strawberries? Look at them. Do they need a drink? Oh, that soil is... Ooh, yeah, they need a drink. Oh, let me soak these strawberries and see if I can bring them back. Lord, I'm about to kill a strawberry. They ain't even had a chance to grow. Haven't even had a chance to grow. Let's get these watered.